What's up, everyone?
Hello, welcome back.
So this is like a vlog style update of what's going on. First things first, what's going on?
Nice shirt.
Same back to you.
Finally.
Finally, we were talking about it like for 2 months. We had some friends,
Yeah, they wanted to do the shirts, but
but
no shirts so far.
exactly. So we took matters to our own hands and made the shirts happen for at least 2 of us right now. And yeah, so a small project car update. So Karl, what have you been doing with Lada?
Not much really. Buffed the hood and the roof and the trunk. Still want to buff all the other parts as well. But these are pretty much the only things that I've been doing in between.
It looks...
Cleaned the interior a bit as well.
Oh yeah, we
with the
steam
cleaner.
cleaned. So the roof lining is somewhat better now.
It's better, yeah.
But
Still needs some more cleaning.
Yeah.
Installed the audio system.
Can we take a look?
There it is.
Sweet.
Put
So
it over there and
it's like a 5.1 system, or what's it called?
It's 1.1.
1.1 system. So one speaker and one bass.
Yep.
Nice, but it looks pretty good under the sun.
Just figured out that too many rust spots coming out already everywhere.
So the next project isn't their suspension, but fixing the bodywork.
Not sure. Maybe should do the suspension first.
Of course. So the main components first, and
Yeah,
then leave
yeah.
the bodywork to the last one.
It will be like a rat style or something. Anyway, yeah.
Okay.
Anything else? I'm not sure. Nope. Let's talk about your Audi. Been the main topic.
Yes, this has been the main topic. So the Audi was at Christian's place for like 5 days. I think the main part was that the pumping station was added. So 2 fuel pumps, 1 surge tank and 2 filters. So that should support like 800 horsepower with ethanol, no problem.
Did you buy your own fuel truck as well already, or?
Yeah, it's parked behind the building, and I have a hose running there, so I could just turn on the valve and it will run straight to the Audi's gas tank.
Just to feed the pumps?
Yes, just to fit 2 pumps. So I have like a solid connection with the tanking station always. That was the main upgrade for now, and we did basically a health check on the engine and all the parts. So the engine running period is done over 400 kilometers, and Christian went over all the head bolts, so the crankshaft pulley bolts and the camshaft bolts. So he retightened them with Loctite, and it should be good to go now. So maybe let's take a quick look under the engine bay. I think nothing hasn't changed there, but it's just cleaned up. And the interior still needs assembling. So we didn't get around with the interior.
Everything is still the same.
Everything is still the same.
The cover is not there yet.
Yes, the carbon cover is not here yet. That was ordered like 3 months ago.
The throttle is still broken.
Yes, it's still the zip tie tuning, but it holds up nicely.
Yeah, we'll make a billet one over there.
Yeah, so you actually have some designs or plans already.
Yeah, I have a model.
Yeah.
I just need to draw it in.
That would be
Machine it
really, really awesome. So please don't make it pink for my setup.
I'll think about it.
But yeah, most of the stuff under the hood is the same. Just went over all the nuts and bolts, made sure it's ready for the dyno. Everything seemed great. Literally no breathing from the catch tank, which means that there's no crankcase pressure. So all the seals and everything
so the cylinders are tight.
Yes, and the gaps also, like the ring caps, are exactly correct.
Yeah.
So that's really, really, really good.
Not like Lada.
Well, we have to do a second oil change to see what's inside the filter again.
But your filter was clean.
Totally clean.
Yeah.
And the oil as well. So that's a really good sign.
I think maybe Christian knows better what he does.
Well, I think he has blown up a few engines and assembled a few good ones as well. Maybe if you tuck in the camera from the
Should be just behind the back wheel.
Yeah. If I rotate the camera, maybe we can see some fuel pump action over here.
Yep, just over there.
And I almost forgot, the exhaust is fixed.
Yeah, it's
So
not rattling.
zero
against any-
rattling. Christian added one more hanger, so I think it should be visible from here under the bumper. So one more hanger here, and I machined the gearbox. Let's say it was a small aluminium part that was just extension of the gearbox. I don't know what was the reason for it. Anyway, we got it off, and it's awesome now.
Yeah, it's lighter as well.
Yeah, of course. I think that's pretty much it.
What about the future plans?
So the future plans is, I think you have a first show coming up, so a first car show.
Actually, you have it as well.
I have it as well, but unfortunately I'm not here to attend it. So my friend Marek is taking Audi, and you are taking the Lada, and you actually have a pretty big crew over here coming to the show.
Yeah, we have like 4 cars, I think.
Yeah, so I think it's called the Young Timer Camp.
Yes.
It's held every year, and basically cars over 25 years, I think, are allowed to attend. Was
Yeah,
it
I
25 years? Yeah, and it's basically just a show.
Yeah, it's not nothing glamorous. or
Nothing glamorous, nothing competition-wise.
Everyone can take
Mm-hmm.
part.
Yeah, and I have a second one coming up in August called the Audi 1 Mile Challenge. So it's basically a top speed competition. It's a standstill start. Everyone goes alone, and whoever has the highest top speed at the end of 1 mile is basically the winner.
You can guess under the video what will be the top speed of this Audi.
Yes, you can leave your guesses below.
Reveal it probably in Instagram
Yes.
when the competition is over.
Yeah, we'll probably have really nice pictures from there as well, and video material of from the cabin and well. And also in the competition, my friend Marek is going with Arten, so that will be a pretty interesting one as well. So it should
Yeah.
be Arten should be around leave that guess below as well.
Yep.
I will not start guessing.
But anyway, you're not going with that setup,
What do you mean?
with that 300 kilowatts.
No, the dyno session is coming up next week. I'm hoping for around 500 wheel kilowatts. So that means like around 800 engine horsepower. And it should be pretty fast, but we'll see. I will not make any estimations right now, as we don't know.
But for the final tune, you added the fuel pumps,
Fuel pump.
ethanol sensor,
Yes, I have a flex fuel sensor as well.
flex fuel sensor,
Yeah.
and clutch sensor as
Yes.
well. Yep.
The clutch sensor will be, I think we showed it in the last video.
Yeah.
You installed it.
After the final tune, you can use it as well.
Yes,
Yep.
it will be used for flat shifting, so I will need to actually get some practice with it. It's hardcore gear banging and breaking the transmission, so we can swap it like one night before of the challenge or the competition.
Does Christian have one spare?
Yes, he has some spares, so
That's good.
I think he can change the gearbox with like half an hour. So
That's an easy job then.
yeah, but the plan is today we will. It's an exceptionally nice summer evening here in Tallinn, so
It's
we
been
will.
raining like for 3 weeks now,
Yeah,
every day.
and it's exceptionally nice evening, and I think we will go to some nice places and take some pictures.
Try
So-
to get the cover photo
For
for the YouTube channel.
Yeah, exactly. We don't have a cover photo right now, and yeah, just do some evening driving and enjoy the cars. I guess we'll see in the next clip. Awesome.
Subscribe.